DS27, the incredibly best looking survivor. Whoops, is with you guys, and today I am showing you guys a redstone creation thing that no one knew. So this is the first episode here. Oh, I broke the block here. Okay. So this one makes a lava plus water sound. It's pretty cool. So all you need is two of some kind of block, two redstone torches, and let's say some redstone. You don't have to have a lot, but just if you're survival, that's you really, yeah. Okay, that's how you make it. Let's go on survival mode. Survival mode. You great. Okay. Let's grab different blocks. Okay. So you place the blocks like that. Put redstone torches on one block, and the other redstone torch on the other block. And then you connect the redstone torch from the back to the redstone torch on the front. That's on the front. And when you do that, nothing's gonna happen at first. But then you put some redstone on the top, then you break the middle one, and then you place it again. And someone's calling me. That's weird. Wait. Oh yeah. Sorry. And then you place one redstone right there, and then it starts working. And then when you break the first piece, and then the middle one, and you place it again, it just continues working, and it's beautiful. That's cool. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is SurvivalDS27. See ya all later. Bye bye.